everyone! Today, I'll show you how to turn any image into a pencil sketch using Canva's editing tools. Let's start with this sample image. Select it and click BG Remover to delete the background. Next, go to Edit, scroll down to Apps, and click See All. Click Trippy App and open it. Choose the Trace effect. Set the RGB shift amount and RGB shift angle buff to 0. Adjust the Solarize slider to refine the sketch effect. Click Save to apply. Now go back to Edit and select Adjust. Increase the brightness and contrast slightly for sharper lines. Set the saturation to -100 to remove color, leaving a classic black and white sketch. And that's it. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips. Thanks for watching.